Good morning. So, I welcome you all into this NLP series. Today, we will talk about what is NLP. There are people who are very much confused about what exactly NLP is. Someone says NLP is an art. Some says NLP is a software, while some says NLP is a technology, and some says that it's toolbox with different techniques, and some says that it's advanced version of mind power. But really, actually, what exactly NLP is? Let me explain, guys. My job is to make it very simple for you to understand, and I am going to make it simplest for you. I am about to expose the hidden secret, because all the gurus had control over this secret till now. They do not want you to learn NLP because they want to have a control over entire system, so that who want to progress must pay them huge amount of money. Now I am going to decode all the secrets over here so that you can learn. Whoever you want to learn can learn, implement, and enjoy your success. Let's discuss full form of NLP. NLP is actually an acronym. N stands for neuro. Neuro is there are different neurons in the brain. So there are two words now. This is mind and brain. Our brain is a hardware and mind is a software. Because you can touch your brain, but you cannot touch your mind. Right? So one is tangible and one is intangible. So in our brain there are neurons which connects in a very special way, and in minds there are thoughts which has nature of being intangible. Linguistic stands for language. The way you speak has an influence on you. The way you listen also has an influence on you. In same way, programming. Programming is you are always governed by programmed instructions coming from your mind, and that are very meta. Meta means it is not under your control. You are running your behaviors automatically, and that becomes your habit. So you don't know how your habit forms and how your habits control you, hence control your actions, and hence control your results, and actually it is controlling your destiny. So NLP is full form of Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Now let's see how NLP works. Basically, our brain is connected with all the five senses we have. We have sense of vision to see. We also have sense of hearing to listen to the sounds. We also have nose to smell, and we also have tongue to taste different foods, and we have skin to feel, to touch, right? But in NLP, all the senses have different names. Like if you are seeing something, that's called visual sense. If you are listening to something, that is an auditory. If you are feeling something, that is kinesthetic. And for smelling, olfactory, and for taste, gustatory. So we have these five senses in NLP terms. Now what happens? See, all people behave very differently because everyone has a different program and different choices they execute. Some like tea, some like coffee. Some people are very much confident while others are fearful. Some people love peace, they don't want to fight, while other people are ready to fight always. There are people who like black girl, or there are people who like white girl. So in India we call it, there are people who like Gori and there are people who like Kali. So there is a story about Layla Majnu. It was said that Layla was black girl, and somebody asked Majnu that why you like Layla so much, she is too black. At that time Majnu answered, you should see Layla with eyes of a Majnu. So you cannot judge anything from your perspective. It is totally different from others' perspective. So everyone has their mind programmed. So this mind programming is working over here. Now, when this NLP programming is happening, see, it is happening every time. The morning you wake up and start taking your breakfast. In the noon you are taking your lunch or doing some other work. In the evening you are taking dinner or doing a chit chat with your friends or watching television, whatever, or at night you are sleeping or reading a newspaper, watching TV. Every time you are being programmed. Everywhere. You are at home, no matter office, you are in park, you are driving your vehicle on road, or you are taking your food or meal in restaurant. It doesn't matter. Everywhere you are being programmed. We will see later on how it is happening. Everyone is programming. Your family members, your colleagues at work, your friends, even strangers. Everybody is programming you. And the most important is, you are also programming you. Do you know that? Everything is programming you. Movies, serials, advertisement from television, all the news in newspapers, people you are meeting, work you are doing, or you are doing no work and taking rest. Everything programming you. Because you can consider NLP as a computer. Suppose if I tell you that you have now computer, but do not install any operating system like Windows or Linux or DOS, people will laugh at you that without operating system, what will you do with computer? Okay, let me take you one step further. That you install that operating system, but do not install any application software like Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, Photoshop, or whatever you are using to work. Then also computer will be of no use, because without any application software, only operating system is of no use, and people will laugh at you. And if I tell you that do not install any antivirus software, then what will happen? Then also there is a problem, because there are viruses who are attacking your system and you have to be safe from the viruses. So if you consider NLP as a software, then it's a powerful operating system. You can achieve your goals with this system, and in a most efficient way you can achieve your goals. Also, NLP is a powerful application software. You can feel confident and empowered. You can be successful. You can be happy and joyful with this application software. And NLP as a software is most vigilant antivirus software. Your negative thoughts, your fears and phobias, your anxiety and depressions have no place to stay if you know NLP, right? So